Now let's take a closer look at this adapter. So right here we've got that USB 3 port, we've got another USB 3 port right here, we've got the big SD card slot, we've got the micro SD card slot. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, coming at you with another awesome technology video, and today folks we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, the Satechi USB-C on-the-go multi-port USB-C adapter, hub, whatever you want to call it, for my M1 MacBook Pro. So without further ado, let's get to getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. Over here we've got a picture of the hub, and here it talks about some of the different ports on it. Over here on the back it gets a little more detailed. We have another picture of it, and it says this guy has two USB-C ports, two regular USB-A 3.0 ports, it's got an Ethernet port, it's got a micro SD and a regular SD card slot, it's got a VGA port. I don't know if anyone still uses VGA in 2021. I think that's a little weird, but it's also got an HDMI port, which I really like because it supports 4K up to 60 frames per second out of that port, which is what my monitor supports, so I'm really excited about that. So you know what, the box actually came ripped right here, so I guess I will just continue that ripping and just rip it open. I don't really like to destroy boxes, but I mean, if it's already ripped, I will just go ahead and do that. And then voila, we can just slide this out right here, and let's see, now this ripped box right there is all nice and empty, and right here should be the actual adapter, so we can just grab it right here, and voila, here it is. I'm already loving this color. Definitely matches the space gray of my MacBook Pro, so that's pretty awesome. We can put this to the side, and over here we've got a little cable for it. Ooh, not really a little cable, that's a pretty long one. And wow, look at the size of that. That is pretty long. Okay, and then right here we've got some paperwork for this guy. Anyway, let's get it plugged into my M1 MacBook Pro. Anyway, now that we've got my computer right here, let's plug the little adapter right here into this guy. So this is actually kind of funny. There's a little USB-C cable actually built into the adapter in addition to this very long one right here, so you can just pull right here and pop it out, and then voila, you could just plug it right into here, and then you can plug the other end into the computer. I'll just move this cable to the side, and then voila, there it is. And yeah, now let's take a closer look at this adapter. So right here we've got that USB 3 port, we've got another USB 3 port right here, we've got the big SD card slot, we've got the micro SD card slot, we've got the Ethernet port, we've got the VGA port. Again, I don't know why we need this, I don't know who still uses VGA. Right here we've got the HDMI port, and we've got a USB-C data port, and then we've got a USB-C power delivery port. So yeah, anyway, let's actually try some of these ports out with my computer. So now, spoiler alert, the USB-A port works on this adapter, of course, because I have my microphone right here connected to my M1 MacBook Pro using the USB-A port on the adapter. So next, let's try out the SD card slot. So I can just go ahead and I can plug this little guy right here right in. And will you look at that, the SD card slot works. I can access the little video files right here on the SD card. Next, the other port I was most interested in on this adapter is the HDMI port, because like I said, I do have this beautiful Samsung 4K curved monitor right here that I absolutely love using with my computer, and I want to be able to take advantage of the full 4K 60 frames per second, which this adapter claims to be able to do. So let's grab the HDMI cable and let's just plug it right in. So where's the HDMI port? Let's see. Ooh, it is right down there, and we can just flip this over, and voila, boom. That was a satisfying click right there. And voila, now I have this monitor all connected to my MacBook Pro via this USB-C adapter. So one thing that kind of stinks though is it does say that the display right here is going at a 30 Hertz refresh rate, and I'm not too sure how to switch that to 60. Like this monitor does advertise once again that you can go up to 4K 60 on this. Quick update right here, guys. Video editing Shane from the future, as you can tell, and I've just been sitting on this video for about a month now, just trying to figure out why this hub is only outputting 4K 30 to my 4K 60 monitor right here, especially when the hub advertises 4K 60 support. And I actually reached out to Satechi support to see what they think, and they tried helping me out over email, but didn't get anywhere. It's still only outputting 4K 30. So they said, okay, your original hub may be defective, and they actually sent me this new free replacement to try as well. And I tried this one, and spoiler alert, it also only outputs up to 4K 30 on my MacBook Pro, my M1 MacBook Pro right here. So that definitely is very unfortunate. And yeah, I still can't figure out what the deal is and why this hub is not doing 4K 60 like it's supposed to, because again, it advertises that. The M1 MacBook Pro is supposed to do that, and this monitor also is compatible with that. So that is definitely very unfortunate. I mean, yeah, guys, those are the ports that I'm most interested in on this adapter right here. I'm pretty happy it comes with 2 USB-A ports. I think that's pretty awesome, because I feel like for me, that's one of the ports a lot of the stuff I use uses USB-A, like for example, this microphone right here, also like external hard drives, and what else? If I want to maybe plug my iPhone into the computer with a non-USB-C lightning cable. If you guys want this adapter for yourself, it'll set you back about $100. Definitely let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Satechi USB-C on-the-go multi-port adapter. Bye.